Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s squared plus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. And I will put about the s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so I need to put number 1 go here. So 1 square plus 1, we have number 2. So u equals to number 2. When s equals to number 3, so I need to put number 3 go here. So 3 square plus 1, we have number 10. Number 1 we change by number 2. Number 3 we change by number 10. This one we change by u. 2s ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and then we put the bounds from number 2 to number 10. And now we have the final answer. And this is the final answer. Question number 2, the integration of this one, we will have about n sine of s over n. Because coefficient of s is about 1 over n, that's why we need to have 1 divided by 1 over n. So you got about n. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 4. So we have n sine of 4 over n minus n sine of 0 over n. So sine of 0, you got about 0. And then we just have this one. Question number 3. I will add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus number 1. S plus 1 divided by s plus 1, we have number 1. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And later that we put the bounds from negative 1 over 2 to positive number 1. And now we have the final answer. So 1 minus negative 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. Minus ln number 2 plus ln of 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.